Okay, I'm gonna create a atmospheric antenna. This is the first time I'm creating this version of it, and let's see how it performs. So first I'm gonna connect this one to the copper bar. Yeah, so from being like this unstable, I want to not have like a full bar on top of that. I'm gonna like saw off like a piece from here. That's the piece I need for like the wire to put in there. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this pipe off and then retry. Okay, I've sawn off a piece. It's not the cleanest job. It's a little like crooked, but it doesn't matter so much. So, okay, now we can put this on top. And then you can put a tie rib around that. Binds the wire to the pipe. And later, when you're satisfied, you can cut this off. Okay, I put more tie ribs on it, so now it looks like this. Now I'm gonna cut off the pieces that are not useful from the tie ribs. So. Okay, now it looks like this. It's almost complete. Now we have to create a crown. Now the next step is to cut pieces of wire that you're gonna use as the crown. Like I'm gonna use, I think, 60 centimeters or something. 60 centimeters is like 2 feet. I'm gonna make a ton of cuttings from that, like I think 15 or 20, just so in the end it will stay fit in the top of the antenna. Okay, so since when you have bundled them all up like this, it doesn't matter that it's not like precisely the same. You kind of like take the middle, approximately over here, and just bend it like that. And now we're gonna see if this fits in the top of the antenna. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. I just put them in like, what is it, 2 inches? Not too much though. And now we can spread them out. Like now it's all bundled to the top. You gently just make kind of like a big crown from it. in all these different directions. Right, this is the result. You don't see it so well in the sunshine, but now I'm gonna connect it to the antenna. I love it. You know, like the greatest thing about like gardening is actually after you've done the work, observe your results. That's always what I do after I shut off the camera. It's very important because your results are always like something to be proud of. Results are always good, no matter if it's like failing or not. You tried it. So, a couple of weeks ago I put an earth magnetic antenna in here. And then today I created 3 like different setups for atmospheric antennas. Yeah, it's the start of the season and the start of this new like garden, which was basically nothing but clay. So I'm curious what's gonna happen. I feel it's gonna be awesome though.